Union of
Makiaria hindi ya kigomano gya kuruguria mitaratara ya uruti wa wira wa nyumba cia mohoro guku Nairobi, kanju ya kuramata mirutire ya wira ya andiki ya mohoro ni ihinyiriirie wiyathi wa nyumba cia mohoro.
Through the Media Council of Kenya, we've reviewed the current code of conduct, which now sets standards for the ethical use of emerging technologies and AI. We acknowledge you, sir, and we appreciate you for gazetting this updated code.
Kanju ino ni kumithitie tharikira cia andiki ya mohoro iria amwe ao makoretwo magitungio mahinda kwa mahinda kurutirwo mikana na kuguoyohio riria mari wira-ini wao.
Journalists have found themselves in the receiving end as they carry out their duties, with telling the truth being their only crime.
Oho ni yugite ni ihinda andiki ya mohoro kuheo ihinda ria gutariria maundu uria matarie hatari kuingirirwo wira-ini wao.
In Kenya, for example, we know very well that the British Broadcasting Corporation, the BBC, has been under pressure over a bold piece of journalism titled Blood Parliament that detailed police brutality against young protesters last year.
In this age of algorithms, we must fight for accuracy over attention and truth over traffic.
Ihinda-ini riu Minister wa UKINYANIRIA William Kabogo ni uritie andiki ya mohoro kwaragia uhoro uria uri wa ma magithingatithia wigiririki niguo kugitira bururi na rucio rwitu.
We face the harsh reality of misinformation, hate speech, disinformation, and eroding public trust. In this era, the role of media is not just to inform, it is to uphold truth, reinforce national values, and defend the public interest.
Kabogo ni ugite nyumba cia mohoro ni gitugi kia bata hari gukura kwa bururi o wothe na uguo thirikari ni tacukitie makinya ma kwandandura githomo kigie uhuthiri wa mitambo ya kiriu.
As a government, we are taking deliberate steps to support this sector. We are finalizing our national digital content policy, expanding digital literacy efforts, and investing in infrastructure for public and community media.
Oho ni oritie nyumba cia mohoro gutwarana na mahinda na kuhimbiria njira cia kiriu cia ukinyaniria ta artificial intelligence niyo AI.
Living in a digital age where the speed and scale of information dissemination are unprecedented. Technology has become both a powerful tool and a destructive force too.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.
taking our cue from our photographers.